Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to make full width page in Elementor. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And it inspired me make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, let's get started. Very first, visit the website. This is my website which I have built for this tutorial purpose, and you can see this is the home page, and I have opened another page. This is the about page, and you can see this is the main content, and it has some blank space in left side and right side. But in this tutorial I want to show you how to make this section full width. That means all space will be covered with this content. Okay, so let's check how we can do it. So edit the page with Elementor. Click here, edit page with Elementor. Okay, I want to very first section full width. Okay, just click here, right button click, then the structure, and you can see this is the container. So layout, and you can see container layout, it showing flex box and boxed content width. Actually I want to give full width, so click the down arrow and give full width. Okay, you can see the content is full width now, so just publish it and refresh the page. Okay, you can see now the content is full width. Scroll down, then you can see this content has blank space in left side and right side. Okay, then again go to the editor, and if you want, then you can see this is the top and bottom padding. If you want, then you can remove this padding, just give 0. Okay, and this the container, this the column, select it, and you can remove this padding as well. Okay, publish it. Again refresh the page. You can see the left side and right side space has been removed. So in this way you can create the full width page with Elementor. So again, if I want to full width this section, again do it. So go to the editor and select this plus icon and 6 dot, just click this 6 dot, and from the left side top you can see container, flex box and box. I have to select full width. You can see the content already has been full width. Then select this column and remove this padding. Okay, publish it, refresh the page. Yes, you can see the content is full width as well. So in this tutorial you have learned how to make full width page or full width content, full width section in Elementor. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.